my way back to you, until you make amends with the demons you've been through. And I can't regret leaving you alone, until you find your way back home. Find your way back home.
There you go, it's almost 8 o'clock, still light. We just walked down to the beach. Our campsite's just up there. Here we go, it's 10 o'clock. The bed's out and made. Daisy's absolutely knackered, worn out. What was your favourite part of the day, Bri?
Going on the beach.
Going on the beach?
Going on the beach.
Not driving through all the nice roads.
The roads were nice.
Very nice, weren't they?
Good roads around here, strong roads.
With not so many potholes either, considering how much snow they do get as well. And then we've got our little candle going to stop the midges. So yeah, the beach was the best. Beaches are beautiful. But now our van is covered in sand. Let's see what tomorrow brings. More beaches, more roads, more sightseeing. Here we are at Cocoa Mountain. It's apparently the world's best hot chocolate place in, well, I don't know whether it's the world or whether it's Scotland, but they reckon it's superb, so we've stopped off. I've got a hot chocolate. Here it is. We'll try it in a bit when it's cool enough. But what they did is they made the hot chocolate, obviously, and then they actually had melted chocolate, white and milk, and then they literally put a spoonful of top on it. So if it is really good, that's a hint when you make them yourself. And then we also got
And if
some...
it's really bad, it's like a thing of what not to do.
Yeah, and it was nice. And then you buy them in like a little group with 4 little chocolates, which is really nice. We'll give them a go. And then Ryan's got a little fudge brownie for later, so it's nice. It's quite expensive, but I think it's probably worth it, and I'm looking forward to trying the hot chocolate.
Put a drone up.
No?
Up there. Up there.
I see. This is the famous bridge. It replaced ferry crossings in 1984, which is when the bridge was opened by the Queen herself. So yeah, I'm glad we're not taking a ferry. Here's the view from the top. We were on that road all the way down there, and now we've just come up this lovely S-bend. You try not to fall over, right? castle, the ruins, and then there's a little house just on the distance as well. It's nice with the surroundings. So we've just parked up. We've got a lovely view. Literally, we're just on the side of the water basically, but it is still a bit windy. But the sun is shining.
We're in Ullapool. I guess that's how you pronounce it, Ullapool.
Yeah, nice. We've halfway down the west coast now, so not too bad. We've had a few showers today, but we've managed to miss them while we're driving, so it wasn't too bad. But it's nice and sunny, and yeah.
Nice.
Town's quite nice.
We might get some fish and chips later. Little treat.
Treat ourselves.
Although India's been treating herself quite a lot today because she's had her fudge.
What fudge?
You bought fudge, not fudge, brownie.
Brownie.
You bought brownie. You've just had ice cream.
We'll try the brownies after tea. What do you reckon?
Oh yes.
And yeah, the hot chocolate was good. I drank it all, so it must have been good because normally I leave a little bit, so it was tasty. I did have a homemade salted caramel fudge ice cream. I just had that. That was lovely. Really, really nice. Yeah. Perfect.
Cut. Go on.
Cut. Ryan is trying the brownies. What are they like, Ryan?
I like it a lot.
How moist are they?
I don't know how to answer, to be honest.
Okay. What's the texture like?
Oh, real moist.
What's the texture like?
Oh, real moist. Oh.
I'm glad you like them. They were expensive.
No, nice. Where were they from?
Cocoa Mountain. Worth a bite when you go there?
Worth a bite.
Well, worth
Got a lot of time for that.
worth buying them when you visit. Yep. Yes?
Yep.
A good recommendation there then. Especially from Ryan. Here's our fish and chips. A little curry. And then Ryan's got... Oh, I've got gravy. Ryan's got curry. And Daisy's
Ryan's got
waiting
curry.
patiently.
I think Daisy's going to have curry.